Forget everything you know about face painting. Today we are painting woman facing sideways on a canvas. First, we will paint her hair with mixture of Indian red, burnt sienna and raw umber. You will be having a question that why using too many colors just on hair? It's because of texture of hair. By using only one color, suppose you won't get this effect. Adding browns and black gives hair texture. I am using flat brush size 7. I usually use this brush in my paintings. And it's really important to see how the paintbrush works, like which direction. Hi, my name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. Now you can see the hair is looking good enough. Let's come to the main part of this painting, woman face. I will be mixing 3 colors, lemon yellow, scarlet leaf and white, which will give me the face color. Here in this portrait, I am using blending technique. Then only it will give smooth look to the face. Honestly, I want to talk about my artistic journey. Like there's a lot of difference between childhood art and the current art. We can call it a period, right? In childhood period, I used to do black color for hair and orange white for skin color. It's funny. Like by the time I got to know everything. highlights to the neck for bold look. For the background, I am using cobalt blue and white for the contrast. Let me know how it's looking. For the details, I will be using round brush size 0 for eyebrows, eyes, nose and lips. First we will do base color raw umber. I made her eyes closed as if she is feeling calm and relaxed. She is in a peaceful state of mind. If you enjoyed watching this video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.